How would you like to learn how to do muscle testing for yourself? I'm a kinesiologist and my name's Maureen Callister, and I've been working with muscle testing for over 20 years, and I just think it's such an amazing tool. I've created a workshop so that you can learn how to muscle test yourself. It's actually quite common. Lots of people know how to do self-testing, as it's called. I've run the workshop live a number of times, and now I'm offering it online so that we can reach lots more people and spread this lovely tool around so that you are able to work on your blocks and your challenges and anything that's stopping you from healing and recuperating. So what we do is we're going to run the workshop over 2 evenings. So we've got Wednesday the 19th and Thursday the 20th of October. This is all 2022 if I leave this up too long. So we're running it over 2 nights from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. and we'll see how the timing goes. But what you're going to learn is how to connect into your body and your mind. And that means connecting into your unconscious mind. Because very often these blocks and the challenges are not in your conscious mind. If you were conscious of what the problem was, then you would clear it. But if it's in the unconscious mind or the subconscious mind, and you'll learn all about those in the workshop, then we can tap into that. There's usually old fears, old traumas, old events. Could be grief or pain or a shock or a threat that you went through. And they're causing you to have challenges and blocks in different areas. People use it for physical ailments. It can also affect physical systems in your body that you're not able to repair well. And you'll also learn how to heal anxiety and depression. There's lots of layers to these things, and we'll go through what you can and can't do for yourself. But there's lots and lots of great things that you can do for yourself. I find that once you get to the core or the source of where the problem came from, and again, there might be a few different ones, but each time we work on things like this, we go to the source of where it came from, and particularly things like what's the emotions that are holding it in place. I find once you know what the emotions are and you're able to clear those, then things start to move and you start to heal and recover from them. So as I suggested, you're going to learn how to clear these blocks as well. I'm going to teach you a very simple, very effective technique for clearing and releasing held emotion. So if you've got old griefs, frights, stresses, if there's been relationship problems, if you're worried about the future, which is normally what leads to anxiety, or if there's old regrets or pain from the past, can even be childhood trauma, lots of different things, you're going to have wonderful tools with the muscle testing to able to help you to do a lot of work for yourself. So that's the muscle testing workshop online in October 19th and 20th, and the cost is just $189. You'll be able to book it on your online. I'll post the link down below the video, and I hope to see you there. If you've got any questions, you can always just connect with me through my Facebook. There's lots of videos there as well, actually, if you want to find out some more information. So I hope you can join me, and we're going to have lots of fun and learn lots of exciting tools and skills to help you take good care of yourself. Thanks. Take care. See you soon. Bye.